All right, let's get some t-shirts ordered using Google Forms. I'm going to click on my box of dots and then Google Drive. And then I'm going to click on New and then More and then Google Forms. That was New, More, and Google Forms. All right, first off, let's name it. T-shirts, keeping this really simple. Let's click on our color palette and get a nice theme, because you got to start with a nice theme, right? And now we can get to work. All right, the first thing we're going to need is the first name. And Google is smart and notice that I put name and it's going to make it a short answer. So let's make this required. All right, so people have to fill in the blank. Let's add a question. Let's do last name. And Google is smart, it knows short answer. Let's do phone number, and then we'll do email. And I better make these required. I forgot to do that. Let's go back and force people to fill in their phone number and whatnot. So last thing, this is where we get our sizes and quantity. Shirt, size, and quantity. And Google did kind of pop up this button right here. It says it noticed that it grabbed my extra small, small, medium, large, XL. I'm going to go ahead and add those. All right, and you could have for your first shirt, and you can repeat this question 3 or 4 times for a family of 3 or 4 people. You could do that, but I would not recommend that. I mean, you can if you want to, it'll work. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to click on checkbox grid. And this is where Google kind of messes me up. I want my sizes over here in rows, and I want my columns to be the quantity, okay? Trust me on that. Quantity 1, quantity 2, quantity 3, quantity 4, quantity 5. Let's do small, medium, large, extra large, extra large. All right, do not check this button, require a response in each row. You don't want to do that because, well, I'll show you here in a sec. So let's just take a preview of our form. All right, first name, Joe, Michael. Phone number, email, and now look at our chart. Isn't this pretty? Let's say hypothetically we need 2 smalls, 1 medium, and 2 larges, and then click on submit. And this is what people are going to see. We literally just did fill out that form. So it says your response has been recorded. Let me go back to t-shirts and click on responses. And then let's skip all this right here. This chart's not the chart you're looking for. Click right here on create spreadsheet. And then new spreadsheet, name t-shirts. Great, sounds good. All right, now check this out. Look what we got. First name, last name, got their phone number, got their email address, and we see now that they wanted 2 smalls, 1 medium, and 2 larges. So Joe needs a total of 5 shirts. And then we can use a sum function to total up the number of smalls that we need, and then do the same thing for the number of mediums and the number of larges, and then of course extra and extra extra. So I hope this helps. Keep watching though. I got something else for you. I'm going to click on T-shirts. There's a few things you need to look at here in settings. This is restricted to WFISD users, and that means only people at school or with our Gmail can log in. So let's uncheck that so people outside our district can fill out your responses. And I'm not sure you want to collect email addresses. That might limit you. If this link gets passed around by phones and other things, people would have to be signed in with their email. You don't want to do that. So leave all of these basically unchecked. You can click on presentation and say shirts will, or let's say, please contact me if you need more information, blah, 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 blah. That would be what they get after they fill out the link. So I'm going to click on save. And how do we send this out? Let's click on send. And I'm going to click on link. And you can copy this and paste it into your email. You can copy this and paste it onto a website. You can email it to yourself on your phone and then start copy and paste it into a text and then start a text thread and send that out to people and just let it grow. But yeah, that is it. You can email it. There's two options, email, and then I usually get the link and make my own custom email. So anyway, y'all give me a shout if you need anything. Hope this works out.